Well, hello, hello, hello. Because I am always getting packages because I have no limits. Mail call. This is my package from hello Spellbinders. This is, I'm positive it's my most recent order, and I ordered from the new collection. So that came out with the umbrellas and the anemones from Yana, and I'm 99% sure this is what it is, I think, but who knows, because I don't keep track. But we're gonna go ahead and open this up, and here is our packing list. Am I correct? Yes, I am. This is, because that's the only thing I've ordered from Spellbinders, except for now we're coming up on the end of the month, so that means total package time again. So I'll be having my new kit. So there we go, a box with a bunch of that. And here are my dies. So let's set this aside here. We're not going to fling things right now. And we're going to figure out how, there it is. I see it right here. I love these. I got to look about getting these bubble wrap bags. These would be great for swaps, actually. So I have to look and see if I can find that on Amazon. Okay, and this is like nigh on impossible to open. So we're just going to take a pair of scissors and snip and see if I can snip in here. Holy mackerel. Spellbinders. Seriously, this is like, you know, how is this like the Heinz ketchup commercial? The anticipation. We're going to stop our overhead. Because like, oh my goodness. It's like, oh my gosh, I want to get at this. So we have to destroy. I don't want to destroy the bud because it's bubble wrap. You can't destroy bubble wrap. There we go. I didn't even want to try this. I didn't think it was going to work. So let's pull everything I got in here, because I'm excited. These were just too stinking adorable. And heaven forbid, it's not like I don't have enough Spellbinder dies. We're not even going there. You guys do not want to know how many I've entered in Evernote. I'm almost done. And actually, I think I did. I finally finished that whole box. And I still have stuff spread out over Easter, Valentine's, Christmas, and winter. Be afraid. I don't even want to know. Denial is not just a river in Egypt. Anyway. So let's get on to it. So this is the main die in the in this collection, and it's the big umbrella, and it has a lot of pieces, and it's really, really cool. I mean, you can just do it as simply as just colors, but look at that. We have polka dots. I mean, we have flowers to include with it. We have those stripes. I mean, you could do a myriad of things with it. So insanely versatile, and I love it. And then because one is not enough, it's not so much one is not enough, because I went ahead and got the raindrops. And look at that. Isn't that great for Valentine's? Hello, I got to start, because I'm going to be starting my series 14 and 14. I'm already plotting and getting stuff set up. So we have two plates. One that does the raindrops and one that does the hearts. And then it says hello. I think it says, oh, yay, and hello. And they are so cute. And the only reason to buy this is if you buy that, because otherwise it doesn't lend itself to anything else. So this one goes hand in hand with that one. And then I had to get the 3D embossing folder because it's too cool for school. Just a little raindrops. There's so much that I could do with it. So I had to have it. And then, of course, I got the stamp and dies. I thought, didn't I get, let me see what else is in here. But, oh, yeah, there's more stuff here. Okay, so I went ahead and got the sentiment, by Vicki PAPAIOANNOU. I never can pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try. It's Vicki's set. So the sentiments and all of these are perfect, again, to link with those. So, and see? And I love just the sample here, which has nothing to do with that. But I don't know if I have a rainbow die. But I know I have a cloud die. I have a sun die. So, I mean, other things could be done. And if I have to look. I'll have to look. But how cool is that? That might be, I want to make that card, but I don't have, and I will have to figure it out, because I have a rainbow stamp, I think. So see, you have to be creative. I went ahead and got Yana's hot foil plates because I have the Glimmer. And these are awesome sentiments. I love that. Wishing you a birthday filled with friends, love, and laughter. Not just for today, but all the days after. I love this. This is really the one I got it for. We've been friends so long, I've forgotten which one of us is the bad influence. I love it, because you need a funny, sometimes snarky, I don't want to say this is snarky, but definitely a funny sentiment. And then I did get Yana's. I love these. I love the foil one, but I didn't think I was going to use it that much. But this one, I just loved how it was inked in so subtly. And I love die cuts, and this lent itself to some paper piecing because I'm insane. I loved it. I really, really, really did. So I went ahead and splurged and got this. And those were the only two I got from Yana's collection. And I thought I got the ducky. And if I was going to get the umbrellas, you got to get the ducky, because I wanted, the ducky was mainly because of the raindrops. That's why I got the raindrops for the ducky. So it has the ducky, and of course the little parasol and the bow for the ducky, and a rain. Is that a rain hat? I think yes, it's a little rain hat. So I mean, just all little cute little pieces. Look, galoshes. So he has here feet, but no, he needs to have his ducky galoshes. So he will have galoshes. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then lastly, it's the little umbrellas. I've got you covered. So, and these are all, I'm sure, in that sentiment die, but so, so cute. Does it? Oh, look. Hello, here's our rainbow and our clouds. So, ooh, we might have to do that card, but perfect for here as well. So this really is it. This is what I got from this haul. I will now have to get cranking. I mean, we still have time. We're even here in California, it's raining, guys. It's like, and we're supposed to be getting, I think, rain this weekend, coming in on Sunday, I think. So this is very timely. I loved it. It spoke to my heart. It was one of those that, did it give me joy? Yes. So I had to get it. So hopefully you liked this little mini haul of mine. If you did, you guys know what to do. Give me a thumbs up. This helps me with Facebook to continue to grow this channel. And if you want to say something to me, throw me down a comment. I will see it. I will reply. I'm behind again because in this, I will take this moment to remind you that I still have the my giveaway, my 1,000 viewer giveaway. I will link that video in this one below, but I'm still catching up with the comments there. So go ahead and drop me a note. Don't forget to enter in it, and I'll link in this also the video so you can see the reveal, what the prices are going to be, etc. And otherwise, I'm going to let you go. But if you want to see more of my madness, I'll say this once again. Subscribe, ring that bell, and you know when this Mad Scrapper will be back with more of her insanity. Meanwhile, I'm going to let you go and craft and make something beautiful. I'm going to do the same. And don't ever forget, we are all a little mad here. So come on, craft the madness with me. Okay, I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye.